morning in Puerto Rico. Let's see what this place is all about. Well, I'm out here on my balcony. Let's check out the apartment first. So I think the plan for the day is gonna go walk around the streets, get a few videos of who knows what. And but before that, maybe check out the beach too. But before that, I will walk around the apartment. So here we are walking into the front door of the apartment. First thing you see is the dining room table, desk, another desk with my computer because that's my office till I find my own desk. Living room with the cat. There's Onyx. She was actually found by a dumpster in Arizona, and now she is a Puerto Rican gato. You walk through. It's a big apartment, 4 bedrooms actually. This is Scout, tongue hanging out. He wasn't ready, he didn't know I was filming today. Go in through the kitchen. Everything's really white, looks really clean. I really like the kitchen. It's a little bit small, but oh well. There was 1 bedroom off to the left. Here's one of the main bathrooms. That's me doing some spirit fingers, don't mind me. Anyways, go through, off to the right, that's my bedroom. Off to the left, we got Max here working. He said something, I don't know, said something stupid probably. This is my bedroom, just got here yesterday, so obviously all my luggage is on the floor. Barely anything in here, no decorations. Had to go to Walmart to get that comforter. And then further down the hallway, we've got here's one of our balconies. Other balcony was right off the first living room we walked through. I don't know, white wall. And this is Stacy. She just broke something in the bathroom, so she's sweeping it up. It's not her day. I was saying something smart to her. But broke all the glass, all the Q-tips were in this glass jar, and she just smashed it. And that's about it.
Jason's stupid, yeah.
I'd never.
Serious yeah.
This is my job. This is actually my job.
We didn't tell you to stop.
Eat it, eat it.
It's actually good. Yeah. Is it?
Is that Daniel Weber? The famous blogger?
I might have to add that audio in.
Why do these things keep happening today?
Well, here I am. As you can tell, I've made it to the beach. My Crocs have even made it this whole way, and we're just kind of walking around exploring for the day. Well, my plan was to go to the beach for sunset. Sunset's in less than 1 hour. However, it is pouring. And it's kind of chilly now too. So we'll see if that works out. So, like I mentioned, Onyx here is one of those cats that was just kind of found, and she is, because of her past, really, really scared of people. And she just came and snuggled up next to me. I am blown away. Well, the power's out here, and when the power's out, that means the stoplights stop working. So the intersections are just totally uncontrolled. So I had every intention in the world to come down to the beach to show you guys what the sunset is like, because I haven't really seen it here. And where's the camera? There it is. And I was sitting around editing videos and stuff, and I missed. Sunset was at 7:05. It's 7:16 right now. So Stacy and Scout are walking behind me. We're gonna go see if there's any sort of sunset remnants to see, but if not, whatever, maybe tomorrow. Well, it looks like for the most part, I missed the sunset basically right there. Still some pretty colors and stuff, but